Hello and very Merry Christmas to you all watching at home. This will be launching live on Christmas Day, so hopefully you're either just about to tuck into your Christmas dinner or you're fairly well sloshed by now, because I know all of us three will be. Yeah. So this is just a little video, which is a bit of unusual. Just first off, thank you guys very much this year for not only your viewership, your likes, questions, and just being involved with ourselves here at Carbonwurks. Thank you very much for that. But actually, I thought I'd take this opportunity just to have a quick review of 2024 and ask these guys next to me, because Tim's been here filming every bit of content that you guys have been seeing, but actually, a little bit of editing to say the least, but hasn't actually been on camera a great deal. And obviously Sam is the man normally doing all the greasy work. So let me ask a couple questions to these guys. Tim, obviously, first off, thank you very much for your work this year.
No worries.
What are your highlights for 2024? Tell the guys at home.
I think if it's car related, it's going to be the GT3 where we did the JCR exhaust.
Oh yeah.
And that was a pretty special. That literally had delivery miles on it, didn't it?
Oh yeah, that was literally like 200 miles.
Straight down from London.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was a mega bit of kit. But more from a geeky perspective, the website I think is really coming to its own now. It's doing super well. It's getting more traffic and orders than it's ever done. We've got so many more products. Got all our brands on there. We're very much more performance track orientated now to capture those sorts of people. And then the last thing is probably our carbon repair flight case that zips around the country picking up bits of damaged carbon fibre from all the high-end dealerships and getting it to us. We repair it and then it goes back out again. I think that's probably been the best one for me.
No, I think it's a good shout. I mean, that GT3 was special, but
yeah, it was, yeah.
I think we're all quite proud with that flight case, which has cost us a small fortune to make, but we ship carbon all around the world now. If I grab that from you,
yes.
I'm going to move this over to Sam and ask the very elf man over here. You guys should feel how soft his ears are, by the way.
A bit more, yeah.
You should, yeah. Let me pass the mic over to you. What are your highlights in 2024?
Well, I think one of them is definitely this beast right here that happens to be in last job of the year.
Yeah, that's true.
This is Andy's M3, and what I like about this car is not only is it really cool anyway,
Yeah.
super low mileage, super clean, M3 with all the right tasteful mods on it, but we've followed the story of this car since he bought it. So he's been with us last year, maybe even part of the year before. I can't remember how long he's had it now, but
Yeah, 2 years
basically nobody else has touched it since Andy's bought it. It's really nice to develop that rapport with the customer and the car as well, just to see it through every stage of its evolution. And I know he'll be super chuffed to see it here on this video as well. But yeah, so I mean, yeah, you know, I love cars. I'm about all the cars. So it's hard for me to pick out one car in particular when everything that we get to see is a really nice bit of kit, you know, more than I can hope to own, you know, anytime.
You never know.
Next.
You never know.
Yeah, exactly. So no, it's really, it's great to have the opportunity to work on them all, develop some new products.
Yeah, it's true.
Test out some new things, and yeah, basically help customers, some of you guys out there, sort of bring your visions to life and make it all work. So yeah, and it's nice to see them coming back like this one does.
Oh, I like that. No, that's good. Yeah. Good point. Well, as Sam mentioned, this car was, I think, the first ever in the entire world to have that wing on the back, which is a G-Series wing. That's something that Sam developed. He's since developed that for F-Series cars as well, and that's something that we've done in-house. So yeah, I guess a lot of world firsts on this particular car, but yeah, final piece of the puzzle, front end now being cleaned up and painted and now flushed out. It looks amazing. So I like that. Good answer. Wrapping up, my final, I guess, I've got two highlights actually from this year. One is the more recent development car that we've got in, which is a facelift R8, and we've created the GT pack. It's nice to have another R8 with us. I know it's maybe not as pure as something like this in some respects, but last and naturally aspirated V10s, I love it. Sounds amazing, looks fantastic, and I think we knocked that one out of the park. And the final one, actually, which is something that we've done here at Carbonwurks over the last year or so, is develop more track-orientated builds, so suspension setups and making cars more dedicated towards track usage. So I'd say probably our JCW project was, I think, a cool highlight. A lot of work was done to that one. Yeah. No, I think that one to me is probably a highlight as well. We took a JCW and transformed it. All those videos are obviously available on our YouTube channel to watch. So
Yeah. Well, I mean, we've seen that one back since as well. So
yeah, that's a good point. I was here last week as
Topic
well.
of sticking with stories of cars.
Yeah, that's true. So yeah, a lot's been done. I mean, this year's been a complete blur. Honestly, I can't believe we're here at Christmas now. So more than anything, it is a big thanks to you guys at home for watching. As I said, liking, subscribing, interacting with our videos. Being honest, the main reason we do this is for you guys at home as well. We do enjoy filming. It's a good bit of fun. But thank you to not only the watchers, but you guys who have actually come here and had bits and pieces fitted with us on your cars. And obviously we shipped a lot around the world to guys who maybe can't be here in person. So it's a big thanks to you guys. I really do wish whatever you're doing over the Christmas period, whether that's celebrating Christmas or not, I hope you have a fantastic time. Here's to 2025, new beginnings. We've got a lot of exciting stuff in store planned, but in the meantime, enjoy your time with your family. Thank you very much, and you guys, appreciate all your hard effort and work this year. See you in 2025. Catch you later. Nice, I like that. I think that was crisp.